Hello guys, this is Ivan here. Today we are again testing on a strategy tester on a live account, Reactor Scalper Expert Advisor. I have some, let's say, requests to test it also on some other pair. So I have chosen GBP Australian. This is one of my favorite pairs, and it's very volatile. GBP always, but also with combination with Australian dollar, it works also fantastic. We'll start with $100 and with, I think, 1% of or 2% of risk from the beginning of this year until today. Spread I put as lower as possible, so please always find a low spread brokers, ECN brokers, because if you have spread 15, 20, then you will not make not even similar results. So here this broker has a very big spreads, so if I put 26 here or something, then we'll be not in profit, we'll lose everything. So this expert advisor works only with low spreaded brokers. Maximum 10 is advised. For our test I choose maximum low spread of only 5. So let's start the testing and see. You see how it goes. There are many trades. I will remind you that here we are using MMC trading system. This is money management compounding system, which every trade compound and increase lot size, and every trade is higher, profit is higher, lot size is higher. So it is something fantastic. You will see now what is possible with this scalper. What is this? It is 8,900,000, almost 9 million. So guys, we made profit of $8,580,000 in 4 months. This is something fantastic. Let's see. Maximal drawdown is only 3%, guys. Only 3% in 3 months, and we from 100, you see, made total net profit 8,580,000. You see that we started only with $100, and this was our first winning trades. But as the trades go on, you see that lot size is increasing here. You see, and of course a profit is increasing. And let's see at the end after. So this is what I'm telling you. This is scalper which you will not have any results if you trade 15 days or 30 days. You must let it go at least few months. 2 months is the minimum, in my opinion. Then you will see the results of this MMC software. So you see now we are already on 7 lot size. Automatically robot is opening, increasing lot sizes. You see the winning trades are big, losing trades are small, and it goes like it goes. After, I don't know, after 1 month, you see what is our lot size. It is increasing and increasing. So okay, this is on strategy tester testing, but testing live data, live data from not far away, last 3 months. And if you see that you have a risk or drawdown only 3%, then you can expect a lot of that in your trading. So this was testing on the GBP USD. This robot is best performing on M1, but let's see on M5. On M5 we'll probably make much lower profits because there are less trades. And because of less number of trades, there are no so many compounding, and of course that the profit is smaller. But what is important, I want to show you that it is profitable. Anything you make, M1, M5, M15, you will make money, guys. You will make money. This is what is important for you. I don't expect millions, of course. It's maybe strategy tester is only to test it, but it does not, guys, guarantee you. You see on M5 we have $100,000 and 9% drawdown. So guys, it is like it is. The best pair I think is GBP USD. Where is it? Let's try on GBP USD. I suggest you to use GBP USD. Especially on M1 you will have, this is M5, and you see on M5 no many trades, only 130 for now, but on M1 you will have 10 times more trades. We'll test it on M1 again so you will see where we are now. We are already in April, you see. And here the tester showed 8% drawdown and $8,000. Let's see on M1. It will be killing because on M1 you will have 10 times more trades, and that's why compounding and money management system is increasing exponentially lot size, and that's why you get these results. So that means keep your money on your account, don't withdraw your winning, because it will compound more and more, and only that in that way, if you keep it as long as you can, you will get these big numbers, big profits. You see here we are already on 2 million, 3 million, maybe. I'm not sure. Yes, it is. You see 900 trades, and we make 3 million here. And only 4% of drawdown. So guys, this is it. I only can help you here in one way. If only, guys, this is a special promo, only valid for today. Don't ask me tomorrow, please. Follow my YouTube, follow my web, subscribe, and you will be updated, because almost every day I have something for you. So I will give you this at a special price. You will see only $159. So only $159, But guys, only if you pay with crypto. Only with crypto. You have here Bitcoin address, two addresses, any is okay. But if you want to use any other crypto, just send me, I will give you a wallet address for any other crypto you want to pay. Litecoin, Ethereum, Tether, Ripple, whatever. I have all possibilities. I have addresses for all cryptos. So 159 only, but only I accept this, and you will get 159 euros price. If you use any of other options, then sorry guys, you will have to pay full price. So it is what it is. I'm trying to help again. You have seen the results. It's up to you if you want to get this premium scalping robot. Guys, see you next time. Bye bye.